Welcome back to another episode of Andy's Toolbox. In this episode, we're going to do an upgrade on my oxyacetylene tank rig with a brand new cylinder dolly and review from Zoro tools. So stay tuned. Okay, so we're changing this monstrosity so my old lady can have her dolly back, because I've been monopolizing it for years, over to this cute little guy I got from Zoro tools. So in this next clip we'll have this switched over, and I'll show you what it's like. Alright guys, here it is all done. It's much more stealthy, small, portable. I put some boards on here to get it off of the wheels and to keep it stable. I use some moon rings here to hold it down. All in all, I'll say that this cylinder dolly from Zoro is worth the $50 or whatever they're charging. Got it locked down much better than the zip ties, or not zip ties, the bungee cord I had on it previously. So this is an upgrade all around. So like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, get notified if you like content like this, tool reviews and all that jazz. Take care guys, love you all out there.